Video 18, Creating a WBS for the PMBOK Process Groups. The tool WBS Schedule Pro is used in the implementation example. The objective of this video is to implement PMBOK Process Groups in a Project WBS. We will create a generic Project WBS considering all PMI processes. The Project Management Body of Knowledge Guide, published by the Project Management Institute, outlines 5 management process groups that are essential for effectively managing projects. These process groups provide a framework for organizing project activities and ensuring that all aspects of project management are addressed. The first management process groups is 1. Initiating. Right-click and select the Insert Task option. Enter the title as WBS Generic Project. Right-click the WBS Generic Project box and select the Insert Subtask option. Enter the title as Initiating Processes. This process group involves defining and authorizing a new project or a new phase of an existing project. Key activities include identifying stakeholders, developing the project charter, and obtaining approval to start the project. The main output is the project charter, which formally authorizes the project. The second management process groups is 2. Planning processes. Right-click the Initiating Processes box and select the Insert Task After option. Enter the title as Planning Processes. This process group involves establishing the scope of the project, refining objectives, and defining the course of action required to achieve the objectives. Key activities include developing the project management plan, defining scope, creating the work breakdown structure, scheduling, budgeting, and planning for risk management, quality, resources, communications, and procurement. The main output is the project management plan, which serves as a comprehensive guide for executing, monitoring, and controlling the project. The third management process group is Executing Processes. Right-click the Planning Processes box and select the Insert Task After option. Enter the title as Executing Processes. This process group involves completing the work defined in the project management plan to achieve the project's objectives. Key activities include directing and managing project work, performing quality assurance, acquiring, developing, and managing the project team, managing communications, and conducting procurement. The main outputs are deliverables, work performance data, and changes that may impact the project management plan. The fourth group of management processes is Controlling Processes. Right-click the Executing Processes box and select the Insert Task After option. Enter the title as Controlling Processes. This process group involves tracking, reviewing, and regulating the progress and performance of the project, identifying any areas in which changes to the plan are required, and initiating the corresponding changes. Key activities include monitoring project work, performing integrated change control, validating scope, controlling scope, schedule, cost, quality, resources, communications, risk, and procurement. The main outputs are performance reports, change requests, and updates to the project management plan and project documents. The fifth group of management processes is Closing Processes. Right-click the Controlling Processes box and select the Insert Task After option. Enter the title as Closing Processes. This process group involves finalizing all activities across all process groups to formally close the project or phase. Key activities include obtaining formal acceptance of the project deliverables, closing procurement contracts, and documenting lessons learned. The main outputs are the final product, service, or result transition, and the formal closure of the project or phase. These process groups are iterative and can overlap within a project. They provide a structured approach to managing projects and ensuring that all necessary processes are followed to achieve project success. This presentation is over. Upcoming videos. 1. Creation of the WBS for a project considering all PMI processes. 2. Project life cycles. Here we will talk about predictive, iterative, incremental, adaptive, hybrid. 3. Examples using WBS Schedule Pro. 4. Examples of project plans using MS Project. And many more videos. See you in the next videos. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video and want us to continue with new topics. Subscribe to the channel. All content is free. You can also comment suggesting topics you would like to see on this channel. Thank you.